In this video, we will try to represent the inequality in different form, which means that from inequalities, we will change to interval notation, or from interval notation to inequality, and on the same time for interval notation to real number line, and so on. So let's look at some example. So let's say example 1, represent the following inequalities formed into interval notation and real number line. So this is the inequality, which is x is greater than 2. So we all know that when x is greater than 2, so here is x is greater than 2, which is not included. So we will use a round bracket, so which is from 2 until positive infinity. So remember, this is 2 is not included. Since this symbol is not included, so it's greater than 2 means that until infinity. So in the real number line, so now we only have one value, which is 2. So here is the value of 2. And we all know that 2 is not included. So it's a small circle. Now approach positive infinity. So the arrow suppose is pointed to the right. Let's look at the second example. Let's say the same value, but now is included. So you can see, you can look at the difference. So you can see that this is included. So for included, we are using a square bracket. So this is greater than 2, greater or equals to 2. So it's included 2 from 2 against until positive infinity. So here, the same value, the same line. Now the only difference is this is included. So this is a dot. So pointed to the right. For less than, so less than -1, which is not included. So we know that this is a round circle. So since it's less than, so it will approach negative infinity. Against negative infinity, have to put on left hand side until -1. So -1 is not included. So here is a round bracket. So now we have the value of -1 and -1 is not included. Since here is approach negative infinity, the value is getting smaller and smaller. So the arrow suppose is pointed to the left. So for this, the fourth example, x is less than or equals to -1. So this is -1 is included. Less than until negative infinity, included -1. So we're going to use a square bracket. The same real number line and the same value, -1. Now here is included. So it's pointed to the left. Let's look some more example. Let's say x is greater than -3 but less than 5. Both of the value are not included. Therefore, we are using so -3. We just put a comma until 5. So we doesn't have to put all the value. For example, we doesn't have to put, let's say, from -3, -2, -1, and so on until 5. So we just put two value, the value on the boundary, which is -3 and 5. So here is -3, comma, and 5. So we don't have to list all the value. So here's. Next, we'll look at the real number line. So for the real number line, now we have two value, which is -3 and 5. Both of them are not included. So not included. And the value is in between. So in between, so here is the line. Next example, 0 until 7. So as we all know, here is 0, which is included. So included until 7. So here is 7. And 7 is not included. So it's not included. And in the real number line, 0 and 7. 0 is included. 7 is not included. So the value is in between. Finally, we have a union here. X less than 2 union, or we can use or, x less than 2 or x greater or equals to 6. So since we have two interval, so in here we also have two interval. The first interval is less than 2. So means that from negative infinity until 2. If here we have union, therefore here we also have a union. And then the second interval is x greater or equals to 6. So 6 is included. So we will use a square bracket from 6 to positive infinity. So in the real number line form, again we have two values. One is 2, another value is 6. So 2 and 6. 2 is not included. 6 is included. So when you look at the interval, for the value of 2, this one is approach negative infinity. So the arrow must pointed to the left. Whereas for the value of 6, this is approach positive infinity. So suppose that the arrow should pointed to the right. Finally, we have another example. X less than or equals to negative 2, or x is greater or equals to 2. So again, we have two intervals. So here we also have two intervals. So from less than or equals to negative 2. So this means that until negative infinity until negative 2. And negative 2 is included. Since here we have a union, so here we also have a union. Then here is from x is greater or equals to 2, which is included. So a square bracket from 2 to positive infinity. In the real number line, we have negative 2 and positive 2. Both of them are included. So this is a dot. For negative 2 is approach negative infinity. So it's pointed to the left. And this is 2 approach positive infinity pointed to the right. So here is how we're going to convert from inequalities form to interval form or notation and real number line. Because when we are dealing with linear inequality, quadratic inequalities, and rational inequalities, sometimes the answer must be in interval notation or real number line.